Hey everyone. This is Sweat Life, back at it with the truth, the grind, and the real results. Today's topic. That stubborn belly fat. Yep, the lower pooch, the muffin top, the bloat you swear won't go away. We've all been there. But here's the wild part, I flattened my belly without the gym, without equipment, and get this, I did it all from bed. Yeah. My mattress turned into my abs machine. Let me show you exactly how I did it in just 28 days with 5 simple exercises. You ready? Let's go. Step 1, leg raises, the lower belly slayer. This is your go-to move to attack that hard to reach lower belly fat. 1. Lie flat on your back in bed, hands under your hips. 2. Keep your legs straight and lift them up to a 90-degree angle, then lower slowly. 3. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Why it works: targets the lower abdominal region and strengthens your core. Plus, doing this on a soft surface like your mattress adds instability, so your core has to work even harder. Tip: keep your lower back pressed into the bed the whole time. Step 2, bicycle crunches, twist and burn. This one hits your obliques, side abs, torches calories, and builds that cinched waist look. 1. Lie on your back, hands behind your head. 2. Bring one knee up, while twisting your opposite elbow toward it. 3. Alternate sides in a slow, controlled pedaling motion. 3 sets of 30 seconds, each side counts as 1 rep. Why it works: it's a full core move with built-in cardio. Great for burning fat and sculpting your waist at the same time. Pro tip: don't rush it, quality over speed. Step 3, bed planks, core of steel. Planking on a mattress makes it harder, and that's a good thing. More wobble equals more core engagement. 1. Get into forearm plank position, elbows under shoulders, core tight. 2. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. 3. Work up to 60+ seconds over time. Do 3 rounds. Why it works: planks build deep core strength and tighten everything, your abs, back, and even your posture. Extra burn: try lifting one leg for 10 seconds at a time during the plank. Step 4, flutter kicks, belly fat burner. This one hurts so good. It's pure lower abs activation and a sneaky cardio boost too. 1. Lie flat, hands under your hips again. 2. Lift your legs a few inches off the bed. 3. Alternate kicking your legs up and down in a fast, tight motion. Do 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Why it works: constant tension on your lower core melts fat and tightens the muscle underneath. It's also a great finisher. Pro tip: keep your shoulders slightly lifted for extra challenge. Step 5, reverse crunches. Secret weapon: reverse crunches are like regular crunches, but way more effective for targeting the lower abs. 1. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. 2. Curl your knees toward your chest, lifting your hips off the bed. 3. Lower slowly with control. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Hey, forget the hype. These 5 moves. They work? You don't need a gym membership or a 1-hour sweat fest. Just commitment, 15 minutes, and your own bed. Do this every night for 28 days, and your belly's gonna thank you. This is Sweat Life. Real results. Real simple. Let's get to it. Thank you for watching.